Hello friends. So in today class, we will discuss one more topic of fluid kinematics, that is a rotational component. In the previous video lectures, we discussed the types of velocity potential function and as well as the formulas and how to solve the numericals on velocity potential function phi, and the definition also we discussed, and how to write the formula or equations of velocity potential function, that is negative derivative of phi with respect to x direction will give the velocity component u in that particular direction. And similarly, the another definition or another formula of in y direction is phi is a velocity potential function, the negative derivative with respect to y direction, which is equal to velocity in y direction. Velocity in y is v. Okay. So similarly, we also had discussed that so what is stream function, definitions, formulas, and problems, that is numericals also we solved on stream functions, and some tips, some hints is given. It will help you for gate exams and any objective type questions. The all the solutions for the university exam question paper is given. You would click on this link, mech thermal gv channel. You search mech thermal gv in youtube channel, you will get video lectures on both fluid mechanics and thermodynamics. So the content and some brief discussion about velocity potential as well as stream function numericals you can find there. So in today's class, we will discuss one more important component of fluid kinematics is rotational component. A rotational component is represented by a symbol omega. It is not W, omega. If you take W, it will become velocity component in Z direction. So be careful. Velocity component in Y direction will be represented, that is Z direction, sorry. Z direction is omega. Okay, because we know there are three velocity components U, V, W in X, Y, and Z direction respectively. So it is not W, it is omega. So rotational component along x direction is omega x. Rotational component along y direction is omega y, and similarly in z direction is z, omega z. So now I will write an expression for these three components. Then what is a rotational means? Rotational, it is the movement of the fluid element. What is that? It is a movement of the fluid element in such a way that both axis, x and y direction axis will be rotate in the same direction, that is in z direction. Maybe, for example, if you consider two plane, x, y plane, so these two planes rotating along z direction, both x and y rotating along z direction. For example, if you consider y and z plane, y axis and z plane rotating along x axis. So then for this, I will write omega z equation. For this, I will write omega x equation. Means you need to choose the plane which is rotating on which axis. Here, xy is the plane rotating on z. Similarly, x and z, xz plane rotating along y axis. Then I will write a component velocity along y direction. Understood? So these are the three equations are there. So we'll write one by one. So to understand and how to write this, I will use simple tips, because there are 4 to 5 equations are there. It will be very difficult to remember all the equations, or it will be don't necessary to by heart, because if you do some minus or plus mistakes, the entire numerical will be wrong. So I give some hints, some tips how to remember and how to write these equations. Okay. Now I will write omega z means the rotation, the fluid is rotating along z axis. So for that, what is the hint? Rotational component along z direction, we need to consider some hints. Okay, what are the hints we need to consider here is, for example, you take x plane, y plane, and z plane. Okay, velocity along x plane is u, velocity along y plane is v, and velocity along z plane is W. This is what I consider here. Similarly, just you mix up this plane and you write in the sequential order. After X, I will take Y here. After Y, Z and X. Similarly, I will take the last shuffle Z, X and Y. These are the three different shuffling order I got. Now I am going to write the expression for WZ. So I will neglect this term. This is a unknown value. So how many terms are left here? There are two planes, that is X plane and Y plane. When two planes are left, you write 1 by 2, open the bracket. Now when you are writing the first term within the bracket, so Z before which axis is there, you need to find out, that is Y. Z before Y axis, after the Z it is X axis. Okay. In the term, you have to write the differentiate, that is partial differentiation of velocity component in Y direction. That I will write dou V, because what is the velocity component in Y direction? That is V. What is the velocity component in X direction? That is U. I will write velocity component in Y direction first, that is dou V, with respect to the axis. I have to take X, that is X direction, UX. Understood? Minus. Now what is left? You have considered Y. Now left is X axis. Now what is the velocity component in X? That is U, dou U. And which axis is left? That is dou Y. So what does it mean is, here this equation represents the change in velocity, means small change in velocity along Y direction of the fluid with respect to X direction. That is how, means the fluid is flowing along X, there is a small change in velocity V direction, that is Y direction. If you consider, for example, the plane is Y axis. So when the fluid is flowing along Y axis, there is small change in velocity also in X direction, that is U. Okay, so this is a one term. Similarly, we will write another term for WY, means it is not W, sorry, it is omega. Omega Y, rotational component along Y axis, is equal. Now I will consider this term because I am going to write for Y. So take this term and you neglect it. So omega Y is equal to, how many planes are left here? There are two planes left. You write 1 by 2. So you in here you take the last term in this. If you are referring this shuffle order, you take the last term. Velocity component in this direction you take. Last term is X. Velocity component in X is dou U. Okay. So what is the axis left out here? This is Z axis. You write dou Z minus. You take the middle one now. Middle one. Which is the middle one? Velocity component in Z is, that is dou W divided by which component left in the last, that is X. This is velocity component along Y direction. Similarly, you will write one more equation, rotational component along Z. Rotational component along Z is over, Y is over. Now you write for X. X is equal to, so I will take this shuffle order, X, Y, Z. So if you are taking this plane, X plane, you neglect it. The remaining two planes are Y and Z. Only two planes, so I take 1 by 2. Open the bracket. Now you consider the last term of the shuffle order. What is the last term? Z. The rotational component in Z axis is W. So differentiation of W, partial derivative W. What is a plane left here? It is Y. So write directly Y. Okay. Numerator, it is velocity component. Denominator, axis. Okay. So minus. Take second term, that is middle term. Velocity component in Y axis is V. That is partial derivative of V with respect to, we need to consider denominator, that is axis. So which axis left now? Z axis is left. So partial derivative with respect to Z axis. So this is the three equations. This is how you to write equations of rotational component along Z, Y and X. Okay, so these three equations will help you in solving numericals on fluid kinematics. So what is a type of numericals? For example, he will give one function. So for example, velocity v is equal to some x square I plus y square j, like this. This is the one statement. Velocity is a function of x plane and y plane. And he may ask you to find out or check whether the flow is rotational or irrotational. Okay, now you need to check to rotational or irrotational, because x plane is given, y plane is given. So x is, then rotational will be along z plane. Okay, so omega z is equal to, okay, you need to write the formula for omega z, that is half of, first you need to consider last term. For example, z, we are writing for z, y, x, y. It should be in the sequence order, right? Okay, after z, x, after x, it should be y. Now you are writing for this. First you taken here. Now you take last derivative, partial derivative of last term, that is y. Axis is there, velocity component along y-axis is v, dou v by dou x minus dou u by dou y, because velocity component in x is u. They're the same equation we wrote here. So if wz is equal to 0, if you got, for example, after solving the equation, if you got wz is equal to 0, then you say that it is a irrotational. If the wz, if it is not equal to 0, then it is rotational flow. Okay, now the question arises, sir, velocity v is given, but here it is u, v and w is there, then how to find this component of u, velocity v and as well as w? And dear student, this equation, the velocity function what he has given, this equation you need to compare. You compare this equation with velocity v is equal to ui plus vj. If z plane is also there, zk, you'll be given only two-dimensional, because x plane is there, y plane, then rotational should be along z. If z plane is there, x plane is there, then rotational along y. If y is there, z plane, these two planes are considered, then rotational will be along x. So only there will be two functions. Now you compare this equation with the given problem. So what is the equation or function of u? U is equal to x square. And what is v? V is equal to y square. So once you find the value of u function and as well as v function, differentiate this equation with respect to y, you will get this term. Differentiate this equation with respect to x, you will get this. After simplification, if the omega z is equal to 0, then it is irrotational. If the omega z is not equal to 0, then it is rotational. Okay, these are the simple tips for solving numericals. So if you have any doubts or some fluid mechanics or thermodynamics, some videos lectures are available here. You click on this I button, the playlist there, in different playlists you can see the videos on fluid mechanics and thermodynamics. So okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.